Avanti Slingshot is the first true full MIS browser-based product to come to market. There was a real need in the marketplace. The market was transitioning, so we really needed to build a product that was true browser-based, that ran on the cloud, and that handled multiple lines of business. So we created Avanti Slingshot. There's a lot of different software in most printing companies, somewhere between 5 or 10 different pieces of software, but really they were islands of automation. And I couldn't think of an example where one software product talked to another product. And we saw this as a tremendous opportunity. Print MIS basically runs an entire print shop. So when you think of Print MIS, think of estimating, order entry, inventory control, purchasing, shop floor data collection, scheduling, invoicing. Really, the entire business backbone for a print shop is Print MIS. And then as we get more advanced, we get into some of the automation. The majority of print shops that I visit have a number of different pieces of software. They have web-to-print software, they have pre-press software, JDF-enabled software with the equipment. And so the next thing that Print MIS does is it houses the database that keeps the information that you want to drive reporting from. So if we can integrate all the pieces of software for the MIS, best-in-class software, integrate those into MIS, all of the information is flowing into a large database, typically a single database, and then from there you would get your key customer metrics, key sales metrics, key business metrics. And Avanti typically mines that data through executive dashboards, reporting, and then other business intelligence tools. Avanti is at the forefront, and Avanti is a leader in automation. So there is a lot of best-in-class software at most printers. When I visit printers, I usually see about anywhere from 5 to 10 different pieces of software. Often they're not tied together. So one of the value propositions that we offer when we go into a customer is obviously MIS, tying all the business strategy together in one cohesive product, but really taking all of the other products, the web-to-print products, the pre-press products, the JDF-enabled products. We can get information from the equipment, tying all those pieces of software together and housing all of the data that comes from those software. And in addition to that, it also allows us to streamline workflows. If you're not streamlining your workflow, there's so many touches that go on. And the one thing that's definitely a trend in the industry over the last 5 to 10 years is the average printer is doing many more transactions for the same amount of revenue. And if you haven't streamlined or reduced your touches or eliminated your touches, you're really at a loss from a competitive standpoint.